A new command I give you, love one another. As I have loved you, so you must love one another. John 13 verse 34. Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind. This is the first and greatest commandment. And the second is like it, love your neighbor as yourself. Matthew 22 verses 37 to 39. But love your enemies, do good to them, and lend to them without expecting to get anything back. Then your reward will be great, and you will be children of the Most High, because he is kind to the ungrateful and wicked. Luke 6 verse 35. Greater love has no one than this, to lay down one's life for one's friends. John 15 verse 13. This is my command, love each other. John 15 verse 17. So in everything, do to others what you would have them do to you, for this sums up the law and the prophets. Matthew 7 verse 12. And over all these virtues put on love, which binds them all together in perfect unity. Colossians 3 verse 14.